Hello, today I'm going to be talking about transition planning for students with disabilities. Transition planning became a focus of federal policy for students with disabilities in the mid-1980s and was initially conceptualized as a bridge from school to young adulthood. This early conceptualization focused on what was called the floundering period. This is the period of time immediately after high school through the time the young adult either went to college or found a job. Since then, transition planning has become more complex and less limited regarding age and time. The 1997 reauthorization of IDEA put forth that the primary purpose of free, appropriate public education is to prepare children and youth with disabilities for employment and independent living. Additionally, it was made a requirement that transition planning must be put in secondary students' IEPs beginning at the age of 14 or earlier in efforts to prepare them for the challenges of adulthood. This NLTS2 report captured a national picture of how transition planning has been done within the past 10 to 15 years. During this time frame, 4 themes emerged about the transition planning process. First, expectations for the transition planning process is being met at varying degrees. Next, the transition planning process develops over time. Third, transition planning reflects the diversity of students' needs and abilities. And finally, the transition planning process differs for students with different household incomes and racial or ethnic backgrounds. During the transition planning period, a variety of individuals are involved to ensure the best interest of the student. Further, each student has a set of goals that guides their transition planning process. Based on these goals, supports are determined in order to maximize success and achievement of the student. As stated earlier, it is important to remember that transition planning happens over time, and it is not the same for any two students. Thank you.